YouTube channel. It's your girl Carol JJ, and as you can see, niko kitchen kama kawaida, home of food recipes. Yeah, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, today I'm here with another interesting video. Like, I'm going to show you how to cook minced step by step. So let's start. So here I have my bowl. I have green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. I have my spices over here. I have paprika, curry spice, and black pepper, and without forgetting the Royco cube, beef flavor. You know, we are going to cook minced meat. So coriander, onions, and 2 tomatoes, and here I have salt. So let's start by step 1. Let's start by boiling the minced meat for just 10 minutes, then we fry it. Minced meat is here. Let's open. It is fresh minced meat, so I'm going to put into my bowl. Do you guys wash the minced meat? Hakuna kitaiwashwangi. I'm going to wash it. Tukiendelea. Comment there. What do you want me to cook next? Yeah. So this is our minced meat. This is how it looks like, minced meat. Yeah. So first step, we are going to wash the minced meat because hakuna kitaiwashwangi. I'm going to wash it, then tuiweke kwa meko. By the time in a boil, we cut our ingredients. Yeah. Wow. I think it is almost ready. It is almost. So, to cut a few minutes, let's cut the onion. Let's prepare the ingredients. Yeah. Let's start by preparing the pepper. Natumia piece kidogo kidogo because I'm going to use all of them. Red pepper, yellow pepper, and green pepper. Yeah, then I'm going to use these pieces. This is the green pepper, and this is the yellow pepper. So let's cut them. Let's start by cutting the red pepper into pieces. So ndio hizo nishamaliza kuzikata. So let's cut another thing. Like, so here is the onion. Let's prepare. I'm going to use the half of it. I think this is enough. Yeah. So let's cut our onion into pieces like that. I'm done. Here is our onion. It's ready. Now it's time for us to cut the tomatoes, because I'm done with onions, I'm done with pepper. Then let me cut the tomatoes, then we cut coriander ya mwisho. Here is our tomatoes that we have been cutting. So let's cut the coriander. Here I have the coriander leaves, so let's cut it. Cutting the coriander. Here is the coriander. Let's prepare the ginger and garlic that I forgot to show you before, but thank God nimekumbuka. So let's prepare it. So here is garlic and this is ginger. I'm going to peel ginger, then hizi pia nitoe magomba zake hizo vitu za juu, then we crush it. I'm going to start by peeling this one. I'm just going to use a small piece. Yeah, I think this is enough because I'm also going to use pepper. Yeah, so black pepper. Yeah, I think this is enough. This is garlic I'm preparing. I like fresh garlic because inakwanga taste smart. Yeah. Here it is. Yeah. Now our minced meat is ready. We have to transfer into our bowl. Then we are just going to do the same spread here. I'm just going to rinse it. Then put it in it. Here is the minced meat. I'm going to transfer it into the bowl. The bowl is here. Onion and grass, crushed ginger. I'm going to start by adding oil into my sufuria. I think that is enough. I don't need much oil. Then here is my onion. I'm going to add the onion into my oil with. I fry it carefully. Then I give it some seconds, then I add ginger and garlic. Here is our crushed ginger and garlic. I'm going to add it because it's time. Here I think it's ready and it's now time for me to add the tomatoes. So here I have the tomatoes. I'm going to add it. You can add even tomato sauce, but tomato sauce, yeah. But it's just because I don't like using it. After that, I fry, then I cover it with my plate to give it some time. Then it's time. Then I add something else. Our tomato is ready. Now I'm going to add half glass of water. And after it may boil, I'm now going to add my spices before I add my meat. So here I have black pepper, my favorite spice. Here I have Royco spice, Royco spice, this is paprika. And here I have that curry and spice. See, that's curry and spice. Here with my Royco cube. That's Royco cube I'm adding. And this is salt, and I'm not going to add all of it because spices inakwanga na chumvi, so I think that's enough. Right? You see the soup? The soup is very strong. You can see Then after that we will fry meat. I add some water. Then we give it some time. Then we add the remaining ingredients that we have. So guys, our mixed stew is ready. Now let's add the pepper. Here is our pepper, both green, yellow and red pepper. So let's add them. Then after adding the pepper, here I have the coriander. So let's add the coriander. That's coriander we are adding. So guys, that's how it looks like. Let me zoom. You see, in a graffiti, yeah. You can serve with anything that you want. You can eat it with ugali. You can serve it with chapati, rice, anything that you want. Beans, anything. Yeah. It looks very yummy. Like in fact, it's down there, but in a cup of power. I know it will not disappoint me. And guys, do you know the reason as why coriander and peppers zamsho? It's just because most of the people wanapenda crunchy, like even if nakazikai crunchy, not the overcooked. Yeah. So hope our stew is ready. Let's have. So here is our stew and here is our bowl. I'm going to transfer from sufuria to inside the bowl. So let's transfer. So our mixed meat is ready to serve. So see the way it looks like can attract, can slap. Try cook with me and enjoy your meal. Let me zoom. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you have not. Like, share, comment and tell me in the comment section what to cook next. Na nitafanya hivyo because I love you so much guys, you know. Hey. Thank you guys for watching. Tuonane kwa video ingine. Bye bye. I love you guys.